Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show, where we show boomers how to use tech to make their lives a little easier. Hi, I'm Bertrand. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a picture through your email on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to tap on the mail icon. Next, you want to choose the share button at the bottom right hand corner. Next, you want to type in the address in the to field by tapping it, and choose the individual that you want to send to by tapping the first initial or his name. Next, you want to choose the individual by tapping on it. Next, you want to go to the subject field by tapping on it and typing in your subject. You notice at the bottom you'll see a shelf with various files, pictures, and markers on it. Choose the photo, the one to your left. Now, choose a picture by tapping on it. Next, in the upper right-hand corner, touch the send button. Next, choose a picture size if your size is too large. I'll choose small. Congratulations, you have sent a picture through your email on your iPhone. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, and ring the bell to see our next video when it comes out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.